All right, so I got my first helmet done. It took me about a week to do. I just got a 3D printer. It's the Neptune 4 Max, and I've really been kind of getting into just different hobbies and stuff like that. And last Christmas, I got a Power Rangers helmet, and my brother-in-law gave me some money, and I was like, you know what, I really like the Red Ranger. Got the Power Rangers helmet, and then I've been trying to find a creative outlet. Just for creativity and for, just to have a little bit of fun for a hobby. And so I decided to get a 3D printer, and Neptune 4 Max just came out, and I was like, hey, let's order it. I can definitely do helmets on it. And so my first one is the red Rebirth in the Batman comic series, but I didn't do red. I did Williamsburg colors, which is the school I work at. Do the blue, white, and the red. Looks pretty cool. Definitely some imperfections and stuff like that. A lot of sanding when I first got it done. It turned out really good on the Neptune 4 Max. It turned out really good. The process of sanding it down, just going 80 grit, 120, 300, 400, and then I primed it and then I wet sand it. A lot of the people have on YouTube, they did a great job of explaining things, and this, it could be better as far as making sure everything is as smooth as possible. But I was very happy I used the 2-in-1 primer and made sure that it was kind of filled in most of them. I didn't use like a Bondo or a spotting putty or anything like that. I was very happy with what I had. Then I spray painted it. Spray painted in blue. I used acrylic paint for the white and the red. I don't think I would use the acrylic paint for the red again on the eyes. It's just too big of an area. And I think I probably should have just spray painted it. But I'm very happy with how everything turned out. And my next project will be the Green Ranger helmet, which I'm very excited to do. So this is my first helmet I wanted to try, just to try it out and see how well I would do. And I'm very, very pleased with it. And so now I will try the Green Ranger and learn from my mistakes and do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.